Good evening, good afternoon, from wherever you are watching me from. I remain Skibo Alajimba Omemboji. Nwatakịrị mpaghara amụ ya wụ Mbaise. Well, let me go. Une happy Sunday. I remain Skibo Alajimba Omemboji. Nwatakịrị mpaghara amụ ya wụ Mbaise. Ezinite to be preparedly. Asị m unu votuo na onye o mere amarana. Une Nalahorum today, Mala Anokwane said that our brother Mathias Ezeaku was arrested today. So I was watching the video. So Kudoku. If you are watching this live video, make sure you are sharing this video for me. Onyango nongo mba ihe ike mere nwanne ya, because you and I can never predict tomorrow. Despite say Mathias, yes, I said it, Mathias la no kada ye kuo onye kofre kofu. Anya onye obula amara na say Mathias le ekwu ko onye le kofre kofu, but nwune buko ne akaji Mathias ya hara anyi aka buko. I remain Skibo Alajimba Omemboji. Nwatakịrị mpaghara amụ ya wụ Mbaise. I stand in the truth and nothing but the truth. Despite anya amana si yes, say Mathias no kada ye ekwu okwu ko onye kofuwa. Si biko aka obula ji Mathias, biko hafu Mathias. Bahara onye o mere amarana. Biko baharane. I'm begging Biko baharane. Why am I doing this video? I'm doing this video ni Ndi Igbo. He speaks the language I speak. Biko, I am pleading. Akobula jieni hafuni ya bukoni. Onye nwango se nwanne ya no n'ime. Remember that you don't know tomorrow. You and I cannot predict this night. Despite Tanya Mananasi, Mathias Kuoku, I see. Let me tell you people, in here Mathias Kuwe the 100, 80 is nothing but the truth. In Wezo Kugi Kuo. Here Mathias Kuwe, Wuro 100, 80 is nothing but the truth. Bikoni, Akaji Mathias, Bikome, but Asimgi, Bahara, Onyo Mena Manana. Bukoni, I am pleading it. Talk something else, I beg. Mune Bukoni already released. I pray because I watched the video. I watched that video. Ike Gurum, like I felt for him. Honestly, I felt for him. Let this be a lesson to each and every one of us. Pass your message. People will understand your message without you trying to bring down another person. And some of you say Ebuka Obi, saw Ebuka Obi that he should release him. Kembe Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor, have you seen Ebuka Obi come out? Calling even the word in his broadcast. Have you seen him? Come on, you people should stop. Oh God. A lot of people lay you will accuse. Oh, Ebuka Obi, release him. Ebuka Obi omeruno gene. Kembe Mathias Ezeaku we anone. Hunanga Ebuka Obi werela phone be na live video. But where I say I will do you this, I will do you that. No. Come to think of it. I won't be able to say girls school. Come to think of oh my God. Come to think of it. Awunani Ebuka Obi wonye Mathias Ezeaku. No. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Mathias is mune half on hwe. Mbe wanne gi nwoke no in trouble mune. Don't rejoice. You and I can never predict tomorrow. Bikono. Baharani ya, baharani. Onye obula Mathias Ezeaku lemejola. Biko baharano biko. And I really feel for that man as Abajiroku, because I saw him in that video. Onye ka Abajiroku. And another thing is, when police bury mega arrest or any force bury mega arrest, generally confirm where they are taking you to, follow them, and you can also tell some people to follow you people to confirm the location. Not you refusing. You are not a woo if na lekwane emefiele ka drag why emefiele amam hu no boya amam mu na hu no tejila anware ya. So biko onyangon inango say somebody say I'm happy they finally arrested Mune. Please calm down. Calm on down. Onyangorela mbobula nwanne gi na eri uju. Do not rejoice, because me and you cannot predict this night. Me and you cannot predict this night. Do not rejoice. Where he is now, we don't know what he's passing through. Oh, but no, sometimes Mathias Ezeaku, I know that you will come out sound and safe, but pass your message. We all know that Mathias ne 100. Mathias 80% is nothing but the truth. It's nothing but the truth. Mathias in a foundation, Igbo love themselves. We know how much he has used his platform to help people, to treat people. We know, we are seeing his good works. But all just sometimes Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor. That's the only problem I have with him. Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor. Buko Akobulaji Mathias. Share him this video. Akobulaji Mathias. Biko. Somebody say Skibo, he deserves Awashi. He doesn't. He does not. He's a gospel, he's a preacher of truth. He's a preacher of truth. Hafu no so kuoku konye bo ampromiri. Abia in things Mathias in a 300. 80 is the truth. Biko baharani Akobulaji Mathias. Skibo alajimbo membo jerewasi biko. Madu 800 share aram this video. It will go far. Baharani Mathias Ezeaku. Baharani ya. Mathias Efutakwa give me chito ano. Pass your message. People already know your message. If you want to do your Omenala. your omenala. Half on your bela Chineke wipe. He said, yes, somebody, God bless you, Wama Susan. He says the truth in a wrong way. If you in the morning, get wearing lights, get Buruan keep a gelono, get Buronia Kelono, get Buro Pastor Kelono, get Buro Pastor Kelono. For those of you calling a Bukobi, mention on no Chileka Wuno, before Chileka Wunu Kabad. Awunani evangelist Bukobi Wonya Bonono. There was a time when a period on your Bolono wo Jeremiah Omefofi. Who are woman for fake or more for fee. Jeremiah Omefofi. And when a period all one came one up on honor. And when a period all TB Joshua. And Ndo Kujorakanko. Why will you people this thing emena on your bola so well Ebukobi should release him. Ebukobi came Bobawaro Bikobi war. Have you seen Ebukobi in life like this or time no? Yana say Mathias, I will do you that. Have you seen him more no time? More no time. Ne kutu ne Ezioku. If you are my fan here and you do follow me. Eso si la crowd. I don't say Mato 10 apple line on here ekuge jump puru na unukukata me wo Skibo ga putaku bi. Aga me no so dia sam chereche na aba. Biko gbahara ni Mathias Ezeaku biko aka obula ji Mathias biko gbahara onye Mathias Ezeaku mejoro gbahara nwe ewu nwoke ibe gị mpam na asịkwana m nwe nwoke ibe ya dọwa amụ ya afụta asị m hafụrụ ya nwe enyi ahụrụ m otu ejila adọ nwoke ibe m ngọ ma akwa ala adọ ya ni biko gbahara ni. I even saw the old man agbara egbe. I feel for that man. I feel for him. Akwa wonye bera omenala bụ ụzọ ndụ na eziokwu. Atụtụrụ ụkwụ gbajie. Nwoke mmadụ ọmakwara nọrọ n'ụlọ ya today. Biko no gbahara. Forgive. Ebukobi just said few weeks ago that he's ready for those talking about him. Enwere onye ọkpọrọ aha. Him ji bịa this life for ahụrụ some people unu ngogo unu mega video they have arrested him, that serve him right, that do him that do him that. Enya, you cannot predict tomorrow. Do not rejoice when somebody is in pain. Do not rejoice because tomorrow ema do onodu kegi. Biko gbahara ni Mathias Ezeaku. Gbahara no Mathias Ezeaku. Biko no. Upon all the accusation he laid on you, Skibo, stay out of this. My brother, alani ese do anagbo nwa de lafo. Amamme otara. Despite heli low krumni, sometimes I don't know. Sometimes there are some people here who had drag na Facebook. People share them the link. They will be like, Skibo, this person said something about you. Look at it. What do you have to say? Then when I'm done watching the video, I see that person as Onye Bawakolos. I see you as Onyara. Because I know, see, let me tell you people, it's not only on the street you see a madman. It's not only in the street or in the main road you see a madman. In this Facebook, we have so many mad people that have page. Honestly, I swear to God, one from Mark Zuckerberg, why I am angry with Mark Zuckerberg or Chobiano Psychia in this Facebook, so that Onyara Bawa, Yela group Ndara, oh my God, I don't know when Mark will take my advice. So when people drag me online, when I watch, sometimes I catch cruise with them, I watch them, even when they are doing it on live, I watch them, I laugh. Mbaju, I use them, because Nigeria, the way Nigeria is now, you need something that will make you laugh. You need data. ebere meme borolo onye na-enweghị data la phone ya. Justice for somebody that doesn't have data in his or her phone in Nigeria. Ma ya depression will kill you. Depression will buy you. Skibo, come and concentrate on your skill. This Mathias deserves to be treated like because he can never be treated as an outcast. Let me pin this comment on your commentary. One day, ihe ọbụla unu megekwe marakwa no si ihe ewu nwanne unu ọkwa onye Igbo onye gbukwara nwanne ya awukwo otogwu. That comment now is really touching. Onye gburu nwanne ya awukwo otogwu. Gbaharano Mathias Ezeaku. When him ji bia this live video, forgive Mathias Ezeaku. Aka ọbụla ji Mathias Ezeaku biko gbaharano Mathias Ezeaku biko no. Biko no, forgive Mathias Ezeaku. Aka ọbụla ji Mathias Ezeaku biko no gbaharano ni ya ka bukoni. Baharane Mathias Ezeaku. Mathias Ezeaku, he with 300. 80% is nothing but the truth. Just that you are passing your message in a wrong way. Yes. Biko, ụmụnne m ndị Igbo, ndị ọnụ na-eru n'okwu. Biko, una ahapụkwala Mathias. Biko, una ahapụkwala Mathias. Biko no. Because ihe m hụrụ dị a, hwe adịdị, hwe awụ egwuregwu, ndị chọ Mathias bịa, they are not smiling. From the video I watched, people who visited Mathias, they are not smiling. Fegbaji somebody okwu, may imagine. Bikono, I will him for that. I can never mock somebody in your worst situation or mock you when you are passing through pain or when you are feeling irate. I can never mock you. This is me. I will mourn somebody in here when as in, oh God, I even my enemy, I cannot wish you pain. But if you wish me pain, pain will come upon you. But I don't wish my fellow human pain. And when he carry freedom, Nelo wa. Biko akobolaji Mathias. Biko Bahara. And I promise that he will learn from this. Biko no. Biko no. Biko. Reality have visited him. Une asemunu vuduone onye omere amarana hafu kwane gbaharane hafu ne Mathias Ezeaku me na ebere me nwe ihe ọzọ n'ihi ụmụ n'ihi nwunye ya. I beg you people, forgive Mathias Ezeaku. Please, all the pastors, all the bishop, all the reverend, forgive Mathias Ezeaku if he has offended you people in any way. Me Skibo alajimba omemboji. Nwata krempara amu ya wumbise ezinite to be prepared last moon vuduone onye omere amarana. Forgive him. Biko no. Biko share around this video. Forgive Mathias Ezeaku. Gbaharani ya. Unu lekwe ni hu na hu si hu hangu. Forgive him. If Mathias Ezeaku have offended each and every one of you in one way or the other, I beg you people in the name of Chineke Nebuchadnezzar, Chineke Judas Iscariot, Chineke Timothy, asimunu gbaharani ya. Forgive him. Biko no, gbahara. ahụrụ m ga-adọwa nwoke ibe ma be eji egbe chekụji aka. Gbagharawani biko, gbagharani. Biko onye nwere onye kese m warning Skibo back up, this is reality. Nwune gbagharakwani, nwe warịrịọ ihe mre unu onye ọbụla Mathias mejọrọ, unu gbagharanụ Mathias biko nwe our brother. He speak the same language we speak. Biko ni onye ọbụla o mejọrọ gbaghara. Onye ọbụla o mejọrọ gbaghara ni biko. Onye ọbụla Mathias Ezeaku mejọrọ gbaghara biko no. Biko onye o mere amara na o mekwala na ya tudo ọ matala. Unu gbaghara no. Biko no, next news m chọrọ ịnụ wụsọ ọfụtala. Biko no. This man has used his page, Igbo love themselves, to help a lot of people. Menwegede ihe ọzọ, the call of humanity that he answered. Biko no, gbaghara no, forgive Mathias Ezeaku. Justice for Mathias Ezeaku. Somebody might ask me, why are you pleading for forgiveness? I am pleading for forgiveness because he's my brother. He speaks the language I speak. He understands the language I understand. He's my Igbo brother. Biko no, gbaghara no Mathias Ezeaku. Umunnem ya gazieno, and happy Sunday to each and every one of you. Good night and sleep well. Ya